Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with your mouse cursor, that your mouse cursor is moving in the opposite direction in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that I recommended to check your mouse batteries, because if you are using wireless mouse then it may be causing a problem like that. I will say you just remove the batteries and reinsert it and check your problem has been resolved or not. Let's move to the next solution guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and click yes. You just need to check my video description for these commands guys. You just need to copy the command used in my video. You just need to tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in guys. Press enter. This is hardware and devices scanning guys. You just need to click advanced, apply repairs automatically and select next. And hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. After finishing this, you guys need to enable automatically checking for newest drivers and on Windows Update when a new device is installed. Windows Update configured to never install drivers fixed. Did you want to fix your problem? Already fixed guys. You just check mark here. Close the troubleshooters and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem, but if you not get resolved, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that we are going to update the mouse drivers guys. For that, go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. Select the mice and other pointing devices and select the pointing devices guys. Using USB pointing device, I am using VMware pointing device. Right click on it and click update driver. You just need to select your pointing device guys and search automatically for drivers, and you just need to get the message the best drivers for your device are already installed. And you can also search for update drivers on Windows Update. Click on it, and in Windows Update, anything listed over here, anything listed in here guys, you just need to update all and restart it. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. And let's move on to the next solution if you not get resolved. For that, go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. Type here mouse, MOUSE. Just need to click on mouse and select the pointer options and select display pointer trails guys. We just need to enable this display pointer trails and select short to long to short guys. You just need to select short and you just need to click apply and OK whether the problem has been resolved or not. Let's move on to the next solution. If not get resolved in your PC, you just need to click on mouse again and select pointer tab over here, and we are going to reset the mouse pointer guys. For that, you just need to select use default. Select the use default. Now the pointer has been default guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. Click apply and OK. The pointer has been resetted to default, and hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.